Want iOS emojis and keyboard on your Android? Let's make it happen in just a few steps. Welcome back to AI Expert Reviews, where we simplify tech for you. Here's how you can get the classic iPhone emojis on your Android phone. Head over to the Google Play Store, search for iPhone emojis for Android, and download the app. Once it's installed, go into your settings, scroll down to Manage Keyboards, and turn on the app you just downloaded. Now go back to the app's settings, select the iOS emoji pack, and hit Apply. You'll see iPhone-style emojis show up on your keyboard instantly. Want more customization? You can adjust the keyboard background and choose from various themes and colors to match the iOS vibe. And hey, you can even share these emoji stickers on social media in stories. Just tap and share directly from the app. That's it, new emojis, better messaging. Hope that helps you make your Android feel a bit more like an iPhone. If you enjoyed this quick tip, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching AI Expert Reviews.